Hi everyone, welcome back to Libby's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I am your host, Fam. I'm just coming on real quick today to show you an ATC card in addition to a quick little haul from Dollar General, which I only went in there to grab a few things, a loaf of bread actually, and I saw some other stuff that was on clearance, and so I had to grab that, and I'm going to share it with you. But before I do that, I just wanted to share with you my very first ATC. And for those who are unfamiliar with the term, it is an artist trading card. And this being my first one, I wanted to use a few different materials. Obviously, I have to use paper. But if you don't know what it is, it's typically the size of a playing card. And as a matter of fact, that is what this is. It is just layered with cardstock and paper, pattern paper. So I have the black and white, or actually I have, my aesthetic is black, white, and bright. Typically most things that I make for myself, for my home, is black, white, and bright. If I make them for someone else, obviously I'll, use an aesthetic that's closer to what they like, or what they wear, or, basically what they like. So if I'm designing for someone who's like shabby chic, then that's pretty much the design that I'll default to. Unless, of course, they ask for something more specific. Here I am babbling. Anyways, so this has my name on it, black, white, and bright. Black, white, green is bright. Then there's a little bit of pink just for make it a smidge feminine. I am not a girly girl, but I am a mama and I'm a wife. So with that being said, my name is in these puffy stickers. We've got a little rhinestone there. This is paper from a paper pad that I used, that I got somewhere around Christmas time. This paper is from Walmart, I do believe, the green paper. And then I used a stencil just to give that little stencil in white paint to get that topper there. That's a cutout, or cut apart. Established in 1976. Yes, I'll be 42 this year. No shame in it. I'd like to say that I still feel in my 30s, but I will be 42. And I look good for it. Y'all see my face sometime soon. And then I use a little bit of washi tape, gold, or actually it's rose gold and translucent. And on the back, I just put a little bit of doodling about who I am: a Jesus girl, friend, wife, mom of an angel and a rainbow. As you know, I have a daughter in heaven, and I have a son down here. I'm a sister. I was born a boss. I'm a little bit bossy, but I would like to say I'm a great leader. Some of my attributes are things about me: faith, hope, love. Obviously, the greatest of these are love. And again, I'm a Jesus girl. And then I used some of this paper, some scraps from a paper pack that I purchased. It was like not nautical, but had more like a like compasses and maps and things like that. I bought it so that I could make my husband a card. And then some more washi and some puffy stickers. So that's the card. Just wanted to show that to you guys. I hope you like it. If you have made a card, please, and you got a video, please drop a link to it in the comments below. I would love to see it. Now, moving on to what I was talking about earlier, which is went into Dollar General to grab a loaf of bread and some Capri Suns for my son. Don't judge. Yeah, it's full of sugar, but we need those for when we're out and about. Nevertheless, so they had the Easter stuff on clearance. The Easter stuff was marked down 90% off. And so that means that anything that was $1 was now 10 cents. And so what was left, I mean, granted, it was picked through. But I just needed to be able to share with y'all that you don't have to have a purpose for it right now. At 10 cents a piece, you can grab a bunch of that stuff, put it away. If you teach Sunday school, you can make up some little baskets next year. Kids play sports, you can make up some goodie bags, or, give them out to their friends, whatever the case might be. Play groups, play dates, whatever. But with that being said, so I picked up these stickers. These are holographic. I think they are adorable. Let me move that out the way so you can see. So you got the bunnies, the eggs, the truck. This is good for boys. And then you've got, picked up 2 packs of these. Sorry about the glare. Let me move that out of the way. Chicks, eggs, butterflies, adorableness, holographic. Yeah. So I picked up 3 of those, and obviously they were $1 each, so 10 cents each. I picked up these. You can use these in a basket. You can use them in your front yard. 3 different colors that were available. I grabbed the 3. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, but for 10 cents each, $1 each, I grabbed all 3. So now, granted, it's just one side, so who cares? You can always do something to the other side, make a face on it, whatever. But again, you can use them in your yard, in the baskets, in your plants that you have around your home, centerpiece, whatever. Then they had these cute little buckets. It's a good size, a little bit bigger than my hand. You know, you can give out little Easter baskets, leave one for your postal worker, mail carrier. You know, these are ideas that, okay, I'm not going to try and take that apart on here because I'll probably end up tearing it up. But nevertheless, I've got 2 pink, 1 blue. That's all they had. That's all they had. So that's that. And then they had few of the wall hangings. You can use them for doors. Felt hanging decor. These are cute. You can always add a bow to them, gift it to a friend, you know, just, or hang it in your bathroom or your kitchen or wherever, you know. But for 10 cents, I'm sure you'll find something to do with it. Okay? And then they also had the cross, the Easter cross. I thought was really pretty. This was really cute with the eggs and the little flower there. And again, you can always add some additional embellishments to it or take something off, replace it, whatever. But for 10 cents, I'm sure you can figure out what you can do with it. Then you have the window gel clings. We had this already, but I threw it in the garbage because I got tired of looking at it on our window after Easter. So we got that one, the basket with the flowers, and then the cute little chicks. And then lastly, yeah, because I told you it was going to be short and quick, were the gift bags. 2 gift bags for $1, but again, 10 cents because they have the Easter eggs on them. So 5 cents a bag. Get out to your local Dollar General or wherever else they're having some Easter clearances at. Grab some stuff for next year. Stretch your dollar. Stretch your crafting dollar, stretch your gifting dollar, and be a blessing to somebody else. So with that being said, I want to thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. Share it where you feel necessary. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I do appreciate you all for supporting me and growing my channel thus far. With all that being said, I want to encourage you to stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.